What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to our challenge. Today, what are we going to do today?
Ciao!
Ciao.
We are chowing today,
We're eating a lot of chicken, bro. So basically, I told Dotun that he can't eat, and he was making noise that he can't. So we decided to do a challenge, give it to you all. So here we have like 10 to 15 pieces of chicken. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. Dotun, timer please.
I'm about to beat you, I'm about to whoop you.
Okay.
Okay, eating chat. Guy, I'm not in the gym.
Dominators,
You know that, right?
I'm
You
about
know
to
this is not the
destroy
gym, man.
your boss. So we're going to set a timer. The person who has eaten the most by the time the timer ends wins. And then we'll have water here. We'll have fried fish. And we'll have a juice that shall not be named.
A wonderful juice. So step down.
To step it down.
Come.
So basically, summary,
Hold on.
watch Dotun lose.
Hold
Thank you.
on. Before you continue.
Okay.
You guys watched me eat for months on national TV. I don't need to say more than that.
Okay.
Let's go. Timer is up.
Every start.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, this story.
I'm going to drink this one out. Wait, water.
I'm going to not eat that one.
One chicken down.
Oh my god.
This one.
Are you ready? Stop. This time.
Coming down.
Right, all my brush doesn't see this blood.
Are you ready to forfeit? Already.
No. How do you decide when the chicken is finished?
The chicken is staying here. It is not going down. What is happening? Why are you eating my fried fish like that?
That's wrong.
This isn't so peppish.
I'm so confused. I didn't know which one to do.
I didn't eat since yesterday morning because of this.
Wow.
I think you will not lose.
I want
You will lose. This is my fourth challenge.
Now open your French fish and you're sponsor. You don't want to open your sponsor.
I'm done. Don't worry. Oh, this is actually this one. I'm the first time, have you? That was awesome.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, bro.
You thought you were moving. This is wrong. Why won't you be able to open this? You thought our mouth is. Oh! My burning my top lip. Burning my top lip. The top of my lip.
Guy. You never finish this plate. I'm eating 5.
Go. Ow. Ow. Oh.
5 this, 5 that. Yes, now.
The smaller one. See, I've eaten 3 of them.
It doesn't matter. It's number.
One thing, not to give up. I beg you. Don't refer to this video anytime you see me outside. Thank you.
You juice is
You
more
are
calories.
finished. You are finished the work. What's the problem?
Maybe you should go and get more water. What do you think? But you don't mess with.
Don't invite me for anything competition like the after for.
I'm not doing it.
I'm done.
I'm not talking to you.
I'm talking now.
Hmm?
I'm talking now.
Okay, you're not sure where I'm. Open. We are watching this and I train you stick to your diet, I bet.
It's staying in
Let's watch this video so I can come around. You can't
Don't watch it. Don't beg. If you don't sound easy well, why? Now they call you for something that you like. Don't you know you should like it?
I don't. You never eat anything in my life. You just. Look at it now.
How did you throw away this one?
Look on.
What's this one?
Let's do them away.
How can I not finish everything?
Guy, don't you lose guy. You cannot be winning in life and winning in Never been in life, bro. I'm going to do competition.
One
Guy,
day spirit.
I can't do this, man.
You come this far. You have come this far not to
I think it's better.
not to go this far. I'm trying to motivate you here, bro. Yeah.
Guy,
You are shooting lunch to drop on my head.
guy, I will focus on this 5. I know I go 5.
No, that's not far. That's 2 to 1. 2 to 1.
How?
It's 2 to 1. The chicken went down the sky like this one.
Hmm?
What do you guys think?
No,
I mean, I had 3 on this. They had almost times 2 on this side.
No, chicken is chicken. Chicken is chicken, yes. When 10 pieces of chicken, 10 there. You make 5. You 5.
No. Can this count for 2?
No,
of that?
no.
Yes.
Oh, no math.
No.
So, I beg you.
We'll leave the viewers.
There's no fight, I beg.
We'll leave the viewers to vote. I don't say you ate that and the same thing as this. I mean, I ate all that.
Wow.
Ah!
My children will watch this video. Now 5 down.
I can't say I lost because I mean,
Now 5 down.
you guys saw him.
Blood of Jesus.
Saw him when he was throwing the chicken away.
Are you trying chicken away?
Because I don't understand how we
So let me calm down now.
that man is not over there. Just that I've been doing like this for the past 2 minutes.
You guys should have won.
No,
Okay. Guy, I beg now.
what I said. Never. That man is not.
Let me brag you. What do you want? This part. What do you want? Mom.
Just 5 minutes.
5 million.
Done.
We can use 5 million.
Yeah, this is
Competition has finished.
it's all based on perspective.
Dotun?
No! It's the perspective of the viewer. Depends on how they are looking at it. Yeah, that's right. This.
Let them see very well.
No. Calm down.
How have I no one?
No. I have eaten the
I beg
bigger
you.
one.
Let's end the video.
Under this can I've eaten the
Be
bigger
nice
one.
talking to you guys.
It's not be nice. Wait to. Under this I've eaten the bigger ones. You guys can pay. You can bear me witness. Yeah? This is all based on perspective. From our perspective, you should have eaten more than me. But from your perspective, I'm very sure that you can see that I've eaten more than you.
What is this one I mean?
I've eaten more than you.
You just beyond perspective. What is that?
Perspective.
What are you saying, guys? Come on. Guy, the way you react, man. Commercial break. There's no way you can win again. Look at it, man. See. Just give up, guy.
All based on perspective.
Oh, God.
Perspective, that's what. I mean,
There's no way.
perspective, bro!
Ow!
Enjoy my one thing, me. Enjoy my one thing, me.
So I've won now.
Give up. I think my chicken was better.
How was it more than my own?
We didn't count. Did we count it at the beginning?
What are you Jesus Christ!
You guys are my
Nigeria! You want to be a future leader tomorrow.
It's not my business.
This guy will not come back and contest for
It's
election.
all based on perspective. Nothing tastes better than frying fish.
You're out. I won. I won!
No. I went for this commercial break.
I won, bro.
That's what I went for.
Adi!
Daddy what?
Ah!
Daddy or daddy? That's not me, no. Okay.
I've written 6 out of 10. There's no jazz in this village, in this world.
Leave them, let them look at it.
Please.
Yeah.
No. I know you're blind. Eh? Well, you try.
This is all based on perspective. Look at the shackles that are on the space. Look at the shackles that are on my plate. But the cameraman just increase the angle so that you guys can see the quantity of chicken. And then,
Even by weight, the 2 are lost. No. Oh, yeah, nah. They chop. I'm waiting, man. Come and see the bit 6.
also happy to hear the timer, but then you guys can see that I won.
I like to say this was no stress on my part. Dotun, what did you do?
I didn't do nothing, bro.
Dotun?
You guys are living.
Dotun!
I didn't do nothing, bro.
Dotun? Oh yeah, I'll come to the end.
Hey! Don't try this at home, bro.
Look at me versus. Is this your team dominators? Is this your that what's that movie? Black Panther. Is this your king?
See, I have an explanation.
What have we learned today, Dotun?
I have an explanation. Perspective, guys. See, I'm serious about this. You guys need to. It's all based on perspective. How you are seeing it is not the same way we are seeing it. From here, it looks like he has won, but I can bet you that when you see this video, you can see that I won.
So,
yeah,
how we end
guys.
this video? Follow Dotun.
Hey, it's not.
Oloni. Follow me, Iniadi, on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Iniadi. Everything Iniadi.
Remind us what you do again.
I am a what did I do, bro?
You just cheated.
I've been fitness trainer.
Why would you eat this quantity and you're a fitness trainer?
Thank you guys for watching the video.